Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Finance Forward with Zell Education, where we talk about finance, accounts, and everything that counts. Today, we have a very popular personality with us. So, he's not only been the CEO of Groupon India, he has been the co founder and CEO of Nearby.com. I know he's been making content since way before the pandemic, but at least I got introduced to you in the pandemic. He has authored 2 books, with the third one coming out in January. And with that little introduction, let me welcome Mr. Ankur Warikoo. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. Thank you. And welcome both of you to Delhi.
Thank you so much, for calling us here.
No, absolutely. Yeah, you made all the effort. I'm super happy to be spending time.
Absolutely. I think a lot of our audience, so, we cater to people who are figuring what they want to do in life, specifically between that 16 to 24 age group, and they have zero background, and then a little bit above that when they enter the world of at least finance, and they need that step up. So I think a lot of them would have definitely followed you. Oh, by the way, just a quick detour. A lot of our content team has taken up a couple of your how to YouTube courses to try and really reach out to our audience. But with that, yeah. So the first things first, I know you have a intense journey. But I wanted to just dive right into how did you go from like a CEO of 2 companies into content creation? And I know a lot of people have tried, but you've clearly succeeded extremely well. So please take us through that journey.
Yeah, it's been a wonderfully gratifying journey. The quick summary of that is I have been creating content for now nearly 18 years. And जैसे कि आपने बताया, it all seems like COVID में हुआ है, and that's absolutely understandable because that's when I centered the focus a lot more. But I started my blog in 2005 जब मैं ISB में एक MBA student था. I still maintain the blog. I write every day and I've been doing it for the last 18 years. I started my LinkedIn journey in 2013. So it's been 10 years. I started my Instagram and my YouTube channel in August of 2017. So it's been nearly 6 years. I started my newsletter in 2020, so it's been 3.5 years. I started my podcast in 21, so it's been 2.5 years and so on. And the reason was very different. तो पहले जब मैंने content बनाया था, it was more like sharing whatever I was experiencing. तो पहले ISB की MBA life में ये होता है, consulting में ये होता है, startup में ये होता है. So just sharing whatever it was. And when I became the CEO of Groupon India and then Nearby, it was more to attract talent because we were not the highest paying, we're not the best brand. दिल्ली में है, have to get all the tech talent जो कि Bangalore जाना चाहता है. So how do you really attract them? And the best way was just speak directly to them.
Right.
Like तुम naukri.com से जाओगे, यहाँ से जाओगे, सीधे CEO बात करेगा. And that, when I stepped down as the CEO of Nearby in 2019, became the thing that I considered कि यार इतना content में time बिताया है, समझ में आता है, खुद के ऊपर भी थोड़ा बहुत experience है and confidence है. So let's just see where it could go. I had no idea I'll be here. Absolutely no. If you had asked anybody, including me, 3.5 years back, यार आपको क्या लगता है कहाँ होंगे? Nowhere near this mark. But I think the one thing that's helped is I'm a very process-driven person.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of people in the content creation space feel that it's a very creative process, but it's not. It's a factory and not a studio. And the difference is, studio will be like, अच्छा ये script, उस स्क्रिप्ट पे 400 करोड़ लोग काम करेंगे, हम 400 करोड़ दिनों तक काम करेंगे, उसको बहुत अच्छे से बनाएंगे, पॉलिश करेंगे. So it's a very Mr. Beast model.
Yeah.
Where you go all in on one magnum opus and make it grand. And to his credit, he does that commendably well. मैं वो इंसान नहीं हूँ, तो मुझे वो पहले से ही पता था. I am like same चीज़ हर रोज़ करने वाला इंसान. तो मैं बहुत boring किस्म का हूँ. And that consistency and repetition is, I believe, what helped me because that you could ignore it. Like for good or for bad reasons, I'm just there everywhere. Wherever you somehow open up, और मैं नहीं होऊंगा तो मेरे ads होंगे, तो कहीं अंकुर वारिको से पीछा छूट नहीं सकता.
In fact, one of your ads in the middle, 1 or 2 years back, you started the ad कि भाई बहुत you must have seen me a lot.
बिल्कुल.
So something that was a hook or whatever it
No,
was.
it was a genuine thing क्योंकि
You knew.
I knew, and there's so many people who keep tagging me कि भाई बंद कर दे, मतलब YouTube देखने दे, अब हमें entertainment चाहिए, तुम्हारा चेहरा नहीं चाहिए. And I was the first one who was saying यार अगर हम control कर पाते हैं हम genuinely करते. Facebook, Google allow नहीं करता है, तो they keep repeating it with the frequency that they think.